Welcome to Piñones in Loiza, Puerto Rico. This beautiful golden sand beach feels like brown sugar. It is so soft and perfect water today. Located between San Juan and Luquillo, I love this beach. It's the best kept secret in Puerto Rico. A few miles west of here, on PR 187, are the Piñones kioscos, where you can experience typical local Puerto Rican cuisine. We will definitely have to come back for a full feast at the kioscos. This weekend, there's a vendor grilling up local Puerto Rican food. There's someone else selling hats and towels and these awesome inflatable floaties. Perfect for the calm, clear water in Piñones. And yes, I know I have a funny accent. I'm probably pronouncing it not quite the way you're used to hearing it, but bear with me, I'm still learning Spanish. Bring your own picnic or grill and enjoy the day out on the water in Piñones. Easy to find right off the road. There's not a lot of parking, but this beach is worth the drive. Thanks for joining me for a perfect beach day. Be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome Puerto Rico travel tips.
Yeah. Remember to bring your sunblock. All of it.
If you don't, I